All right, here we go. Green tip 5.56, locked and loaded. All right, moving up to our AR here. This is the first rifle that we've shot, shooting around a green tip 5.56. Good luck, Fred. You ready, Zach?
Yep.
Firing. Here's our small, clean entry through 1, 2. Look how much different this entry is. That bullet starts to turn. This is number 3. 4, at this point, that bullet is like splintering into different pieces. So there's like multiple entries right here. 4, and then bounced off of our 5th right here. Look at